Hello friends, this is Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Yoga by Krishna. In this video, I will tell you how to deal with range object in Excel. It's very simple. Let me take you to my Excel screen. Yeah, so this is my Excel worksheet. So now I will tell you what is a range and how are you gonna use it in VBA coding. Then by using this, how we can simplify our work in Excel. So this range is technically every single cell in Excel is a range. Suppose I am talking about this cell A1. Wherever I am placing my mouse pointer, it is showing the name of that cell. It's C3, then it will be C5, B5, A3. You can see it over here. So all these are known as range. Suppose I am selecting from B2, A2 to A10, B3 to B8. These all are considered as range object in Excel VBA. So for an example, I will show you. Suppose how we select a range of cells as range object. So for an example, I'm writing a name over here. Suppose Krishna, and here also Krishna. So when I'm selecting from B2 to B8, I can write it as B2 colon B8. Whenever we are doing some calculation in Excel, we take the range like this. Suppose I'll write a number over here 5, then 5 plus 1, I'm incrementing this number by 1, then I will drag the formula down over here. See, it's 5 to 12. So the first cell is D3, you can see over here, and the last cell is D10. So whenever I want to do some addition, then what will I do? I will put the formula equals to sum, open the parenthesis, take the total range, then close the parenthesis, enter. See, if I'll press F2 over here, then it will show me the range like from D3 to D10. So likewise, we can do the same thing in VBA, Visual Basic Editor. So let me open my Visual Basic Editor. For opening that Visual Basic Editor, you need to click on Developer tab. Then in the left corner, you can see it's Visual Basic. You can right click on Developer tab and open this Visual Basic Editor. And if you don't want to open that way, then you can also open it by shortcut keys, that is Alt F11. The shortcut keys to open Visual Basic Editor. So now I will press this shortcut keys Alt F11. Now my Visual Basic Editor is open. So for creating a macro, you need to insert a module in your Visual Basic Editor. So for inserting module, click on Insert, then select Module. See, once you inserted this module, it will ask you for writing sub procedure. So this module, you can say it's a combination, consists of a sub procedure. So for sub procedure, writing sub procedure, you need to follow the syntax, and it starts with sub, S-U-B, then the name of that sub procedure. Suppose I am writing this macro for a range object, range underscore object, enter. It will take the its ending syntax, that is end sub. So I will show you side by side how I do the automation. Excel sheet, what I do, I manually type that thing. Suppose in A4 cell I want to type my name, so I can type it by using my keyboard. And how can we do this? By using the Excel coding. So this is a range. You can say this A5 is the range. I want to write something over here. So for this you need to follow the syntax of Visual Basic. So the syntax is like range, then open the parenthesis, A6 or A5, whatever the range you want to write the value, then dot value, what will be the value of that cell, and the value is Pradhan. Okay, so you can execute this code by pressing this button F5, and also for as you are beginner, so I will show you how to debug this code. So for debugging this code, you can go to the menu bar. You can see over here debug, click on that, step into F8. You can also press F8 in your keyboard, then again debug, step into F8. So in A5 cell it's blank. Now if I will debug this code, this Pradhan will be written over here. I will debug the code now. See, it's automatically placed over here. So this is the basic coding syntax which you need to follow. So if you want to write something in your cell in Excel, so you need to place that cell name within inverted comma, and equals to it is an assignment operator. So whatever you want to write after this assignment operator, it will be assigned to that cell. Suppose in A10 I want to write 100, so what will I do? I will write over here 100, then I will debug this code. So now you will see that in cell A10 it will write 100. Step into F8, debug, step into F8. See, in A10 it has written 100. So like this you can use this range object to do automation in your Excel sheet. And before some time I told you, like if I want to select something manually in Excel, so I need to put that cell name, then colon, then the end cell name. So I will do that over here in code. So if I want to write a number like 10 from B2 to B8, what will I do? I'll type that range inside the inverted comma range, then start the inverted comma B2 colon B8 inverted comma, then close the parenthesis, dot value equals to the value I want to give here is 50, suppose 50. Now I will debug this code. I'll go to this debug tab, F8, step into F8. Again it will write the 100 in A10 cell, which is already there, so it will override that. Suppose now I want to write 200, so it will override this 100 over here. Debug F8. See, it's now 200. Then from B2 to B8 it will write 50. Debug, step into, see, it wrote 50 from B2 to B8. So this is how we can write something in our cell. And suppose as I have written 50 to 50 from B2 to B8, suppose now on my selection in Excel is B8, I want to select A1 cell from B8 to so what will I do? I will write that range name range A1 dot select. Okay, then I will do the step into method. Now you can see my cursor is over here in B8. It will select A1 after running this code. So I will debug this code now. Step into, step into, step into, step into. See, earlier my cursor was in B8, now it's in A1. So by this way you can also select the required cell which you want to go. So this is the basic of range object in Excel. I'll also elaborate in later videos. So for today it's all. So thank you guys. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Excel Yoga by Krishna. And I will be coming up with new videos for this Excel automation course. Thank you so much. Bye.